If you are new to Restream or you are contemplating on using Restream and you have some questions, perhaps this video can help you. The reason why I'm doing this video is for the past few weeks I've gotten several inbox on my WhatsApp, on my email, different questions. So today I'm just going to go ahead and address these issues. So if you want to know how the views from your Restream live counts, this video is for you. If you want to understand why maybe sometimes when you are streaming, your life gets ended without you ending. And then I'm also going to share some insight about what to look out for if you want to start streaming with Restream.io. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am happy to always bring you updates and insights that will help you grow your channel faster. And of course, I'm also your motivation buddy, so don't ever quit YouTube because you are planting a tree that will benefit you tomorrow. So now, one of the major questions that was very, very common in the past few weeks in my inbox was if the live views or the after views from the Restream live comes, like they want to know how the watch hours from these live streams count. The truth is that when you are streaming a video for a period of 10 hours, and then you have different people viewing this live stream. Let's say one person was just there for 1 hour. She was just, viewing that live stream for a period of 1 hour. So that's one person that gave you an hour of their time, which is 1 hour view from that person. And then maybe someone else was just there for 2 minutes. Someone else was there for 5 minutes, for 15 minutes. So basically what that is going into, YouTube is going to only calculate the period of time a person watches your live stream while you were, okay? So that needs to be clear. So video was streaming for a period of 10 hours and people came in and spent different time duration on your live stream. So YouTube is going to calculate that accordingly. So now what happens? The views that you are getting on your live Restream while you are live, they also count towards monetization. And this also goes for the same with a normal live stream. Like if you go live directly on YouTube, the views you get from that live also counts towards monetization. Like the watch hours you get from those views counts towards monetization. And also, once your live stream has ended, YouTube is going to need a few hours to process the whole video for it to start reflecting in your YouTube studio under your analytics. Okay, it's going to take a few hours, if not a whole day, depending on how fast your internet is or your location. So once they have processed everything, that is when you're going to see the total of views you had during the time you were live. And it's also going to show you the watch hours you accumulated from that time. So that watch hour that you got from that live stream is valid. It comes towards monetization. Okay, now after that live video is now on your channel and people are able to watch the replay, the views are also going to count towards monetize. So you see that doing live streams or race streams is a very great way to gather your watch hours. Okay, it counts, it helps. Okay, so now if you are streaming your video and somehow suddenly your live ended or it paused or something went off, so it can be because of a lot of reasons. So let's say, for example, you know that you are in a country where the network is not so stable. So you can be sure that perhaps the internet is not so strong, and that is why you are having breaks in between your live, or maybe your live ended or something. So when you want to go live streaming, you have to make sure that you have enough, your laptop or your smartphone, depending on the device you choose to use, is plugged, okay, is connected to electricity, that you have light, and make sure that the position you are using in your apartment, in your house, has good connection. Okay, a strong connection is very important for you to do a successful live streaming. especially if you are planning to stay live for hours. So it's very, very, very important. I know people in Nigeria, for example, might have the challenges of light and a strong network. So you have to be making sure all these things are in place before you start your live stream. Another that could, end your live stream from nowhere is, for example, if you are using your laptop and then you close your laptop, that is you saying my live stream has ended. So when you are restreaming your videos, ensure that if it is a laptop you are using, make sure it is open, make sure your laptop is active, make sure it's open, don't close your laptop and all that. And also your phone, if you are using your phone to do your live stream or your live restream, make sure that it's plugged to electricity, you have lights, and you have strong internet connection. And perhaps if a call comes into your phone, it might disrupt your streaming. So a lot of factors can actually contribute. It could also be a technical error with the Restream software itself. Okay, it can also be because of some glitches. Okay, so if you are able to make sure that you are rectifying these few things I mentioned, strong internet connection, enough battery on your phone, on your laptop, to ensure that you are able to stream at least for 2-3 hours, depending on your location, all those things definitely will help you have a successful streaming. And also what I explained earlier, how the watch hours you are getting from your live streaming works, both the views you get during the stream and after the stream don't count for monetization. Except maybe during the course of time you go ahead and private that live stream video, or that is the only way those watch hours that you accumulated from that particular live stream will be removed from your overall watch hour. Okay, it will not be valid anymore. So ensure that you are not listing any live stream video or privating it here, because that's one way that it can affect it not reflecting on the overall count of your watch hours. Okay, so otherwise there is no fear at all when you do your live race streams. The views count, the watch hours from the views while it was live and after it has finished streaming does count for monetization. And no, you don't have to re-upload the live stream video to your channel. Okay, once you are doing your live streaming and your channel is connected to your Restream account, automatic after your stream has ended, that live stream video stays on your channel. You don't need to go and download it from Restream software again to upload it to your channel. No, otherwise you'll be having double, which will now fall under reuse content, and that will be you causing trouble for yourself. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. And if you have more questions concerning this topic, Restream, IO, and all that, just go ahead and ask in the comment section, or you can reach out to me via my WhatsApp or my email address. Okay, and also bear in mind that if you are doing Restreams and you are not getting the views, the secret is just consistency. Okay, keep showing up. Your first stream, second, third, even maybe your fifth one might not do well, but you'll be surprised that your sixth one, your 10th one will blow up and you will have thousands of views, hundreds of views. Okay? So that's basically the secret, consistency, and make sure your streams are optimized with title and description, hashtags, to help the algorithm, push your videos even while your stream has ended. Okay, so these are a few things that you can start implementing to start seeing better results with your Restream IO live Restream. Thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.